So we're down here in Catford on the Corbett estate. This is another project we're starting this morning. So what we're going to be doing on this project is we're going to be brick cleaning all of the brickwork back to its natural colour. Going to be cutting out and replacing all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks. And we're going to be repointing all of the brickwork in natural lime mortar in either a penny roll style or a tuck pointing finish. So I'm just going to give you a little close up of how everything looks up here. So as you can see, lots of bad bricks in the past being filled with sand and cement. Cutting out and placing all of the blown bricks here, as you can see, all badly damaged and blown. Taking out all of this cement mortar, replacing all of that in a proper breathable lime mortar. I'm going to be decorating all of the stonework, so getting all the old loose flaky paint off, rubbing back all of the stonework. As you can see, another nice house to work on the Corbett estate. Lots of houses on the estate booked up for this year already. As you can see, all the blistering paint on all of the stonework. Again, more bad bricks. Going to need cutting out and replacing. A lot of the mortar's just falling out of the brick joints now, so this massively needs repointing. Show you over this side as well. Same sort of thing. Lots of cracks through the bricks. Going to be replacing all of that damaged bricks. More loose bricks up here. All the fascia board and guttering's okay on this property, so that's all good. So just going to be overhauling the whole front of this property. As you can see, lots of cracking all through the stone and the brick, getting all of that lovely and watertight. Going to make this look absolutely beautiful as always. Decorating all of this stonework, and once again, another busy start to another week, doing what we do best. So this is going to be another massive transformation. Show you some progress in the next week or so once all the bricks are being cleaned, all the bad bricks are in. Do some samples for the customer and they can decide what style of repointing they'd like to go for. Obviously seen lots of our work on the estate over the past 5-6 years. And how good our reputation is, and gonna make this look fantastic for them. So if you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, give us a call, get in contact, and we're more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries you do have. Thank you very much.